Hi guys, welcome back to Success Pen channel. Today I'm going to tell about dictionaries. So what is the meaning of dictionary? I will show you the example. Dictionary means it do not allow the duplicate values. In previous what's the tuple and set also I explained, you can watch. So then you will understand it is very easily. And it used to store the data in key means values pair. I will show you the example. You demo dictionary 1 colon 20. So this is the key pair, value pair. 20 pair. Demo dictionary 90, sorry, QA and test URL. Like that only output also like this 20, and this print demo 20 means test. So like that. Dictionaries are a changeable means it is a mutable means you can modify and update like that. And next point is, if we want to remove the values, we can use a pop method. So in dictionary sometimes we need to remove some values, so that time you can use pop method. Using this pop method you can change the or remove the values. For example, I will show you demo dictionary 2 to 1 pop 1 print demo dictionary output. So like this it's a removed. So I hope this topic is understood. So if you like this topic, you can share your friends, and please subscribe the Success Win channel.